In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete chat history on Discord. We will walk through what you actually can remove and what you can only hide from view. First, there is a key limitation. Discord does not give any option to delete an entire direct message conversation in one action. There is no built-in clear all button for a chat, even if the conversation is only between you and one other person. That surprises many new users because other apps sometimes offer that kind of full wipe. You can only delete messages that you personally sent. Anything the other person sent remains in the conversation for them and also for you, unless they choose to delete their own messages. When you delete your messages, they disappear from the chat for everyone who could see them before, not just from your screen. So the only way to clean up a conversation is to remove your own posts one by one. Now open Discord on your computer. This can be either the desktop app or the website. They look almost identical once you are signed in. When Discord finishes loading, you will see your servers on the left and your direct messages list just to the right of that panel. Next, open the direct message or the server channel that contains the message you want to delete. Click its name once. The chat should fill the main area, and you will see messages stacked vertically in time order. Make sure you are in the exact channel where the message appears, because you can only delete from the current view. Find a message that you sent yourself. Your own messages will usually be aligned to the same side and show your profile picture. A quick tip, if you cannot see one easily, scrolling up a bit with your mouse wheel is often faster than using the search bar as a beginner. Once you spot the message you want gone, keep it in the center of your screen. Hover over the message with your mouse pointer. As you move over it, a small toolbar will appear near the top right corner of that message. This only shows when the pointer is resting on the message, so if it disappears, just move the mouse off and back on again. Click the 3 dots More button in that little toolbar. Those dots open the message-specific menu. You will see options like Edit, Reply, and others, depending on the channel type and your permissions. Select Delete Message from that menu. A confirmation window will pop up asking if you really want to delete it. This extra click helps prevent you from removing something by accident when you only meant to edit it. Confirm the deletion. After you confirm, the message instantly disappears from the chat window. Discord does not move it to any trash or archive. Once it is gone, you cannot bring it back, so it is worth double-checking before you confirm, especially for older messages. Discord says you can delete content you posted as long as you still have access to the relevant space. That means if you can still open that server channel or direct message, you can repeat this same process on any of your own messages there. If you lose access to the server, you also lose the ability to delete your old posts in that place. To hide a direct message conversation from your list, find the DM in your direct messages panel on the left. This is the list with profile pictures and usernames. Hiding is helpful when you do not want a conversation always visible, but you also do not need to remove each message. Right-click the conversation in that list. A context menu appears right next to your mouse. This menu only affects the selected conversation, not all your chats at once. Select Close DM from that menu. The conversation disappears from your direct messages list right away. Nothing else on the screen changes, and you stay in whatever channel or chat you were viewing before. Here is a key warning. Closing a DM does not delete the chat history. All the messages still exist, and the same conversation can pop back into your list the next time you message that person, or they send a new message to you. Think of Close DM as hide from the sidebar, not delete forever. So in this video, you learned how to delete individual messages you sent on Discord and how to hide a direct message thread from your list without erasing it. If this helped you clean up your Discord chats, please give the video a quick thumbs up and subscribe if you want more simple Discord tips.